Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 between year 2009 and year 2014. If you guys need to find where the fuse for the alternator is located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We will talk why it's super important to test fuses, where to buy cheap fuses from, guys. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else, guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work, guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So we'll specifically, guys, demonstrate on that 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation, the video may be helpful. We're going to go ahead, guys, and open the fuse box that's located right under the hood. When you open the hood, right above the radiator, you have that fuse box. When you open it, you will face it that way, and by us taking the picture, you can clearly, guys, actually see where things are located. Those are the relays. Fuses are right here. Now, these fuses and relays could be really expensive. That's why we decided to put a link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get them from at a good price. Before we continue, let us tell you why it's super important to test the relays and fuses. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So if you guys come right here in that fuse panel right here, that fuse row, and if you come from the very left side, even if you have a missing fuse, you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That fuse is known as fuse 45, 10M fuse. That's for the alternator generator relay fuse, guys. That's the one that you need to check. If your alternator is not charging, check this fuse, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.